Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and use Temu on your PC or laptop. There's more than one way to do it, so let's break it down step by step. First off, if all you need is quick access, you can actually just use Temu directly from the web. Head over to temu.com in your browser, sign in, and you'll get full access without installing anything. But if you'd rather use Temu like a mobile app on your computer, you'll need an Android emulator. The most popular one is called BlueStacks. Just open your browser and type in bluestacks.com. Click the download button on their site and wait for the installer to finish. Once it's downloaded, run the setup file and follow the on-screen steps to complete installation. It'll take a few minutes depending on your computer. After installing, open BlueStacks. On the home screen, look for the folder called System Apps and then open Google Play Store. If this is your first time, you'll need a login with your Google account. Once inside the Play Store, type Temu into the search bar, hit enter, and click install. The app will start downloading just like on your phone. When the installation finishes, open the Temu app right inside BlueStacks. Sign in with your account and you're good to go. You can now browse and shop as if you were on a mobile device, but from your laptop or PC. And yeah, that's all it takes to download and use Temu on your computer. Super simple once you get the hang of it. If this walkthrough helped, go ahead and drop a like, maybe subscribe, and check out my other step-by-step guides.